Good morning, 20th of February 2014, just 4 minutes past 8 GMT. Europe is open right now. Good morning, FX Advisor, live trading room. Let's start. Quick risk warning. Our live trading room has educational purpose only. Trading FX on a margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You can sustain a loss of some or all or even more than your initial investment. Please do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Seek education and gain experience before risking real money. However, past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, weaker than expected PMI in China. Just 5 minutes ago, weaker than expected PMI in France, and we can see a strong move on euro-dollar, strong move down. We are going to focus on majors, DAX, S&P, and gold today. Okay, euro-dollar, we are ready here with some charts. Let's start. We make it slightly higher high here. Yesterday we tested those two supports. The second one, 37.25, holds, but today after weaker number we went down on euro-dollar. Looks like on daily we have a chance to get back to our 36.60. And from here, if really we want to go higher, the 36.60, 36.80 should hold. Otherwise, we can get back to the old channel, test, and move down toward 34.50. Let's check how can we join today intraday. If somehow we can join. Okay, what happened yesterday on the intraday chart after the strong move 2 days ago? Yesterday we made some lower low and lower low, and today lower low, high, lower high, lower high. So in the short term, looks like we are going down. So we are going down toward 36.80, 36.60. Huge gap here we have. Some lower time frames. Intraday at support. And 36.80. It's going to be tough to join this move. As long as we have lower high intraday, we should sell rallies toward 37.40, 37.45 with tight stop and we should target 37, 36.80, 36.60. It's what we think about euro dollar right now. Let's check British pound. There is a lot of rumors on the market that there is plenty of action on the options market, targeting or suggesting that we should see higher levels. It's all about current support here and where we are going to close on a weekly. We're testing support. It's even better to see here. We were sellers of the pound, but as long as support holds, is a target here around 66.60. Bounce from here, higher high, cannot be ruled out. So be very careful selling pound. If you want to sell pound, do it with tight stop. Yesterday, during the afternoon, we sent out the alert that pound was testing the support, and we bounced 60 pips from there. Hopefully you were able to grab some pips, or you were able to reduce your short position. Okay, let's take a look on the intraday chart. There you go. Yeah. Here yesterday we informed about support, and here is a support. Tested again today. How low can we go from here? Most probably 64.80. It's quite a nice gap here. But let's take a look if bulls can find some support. Yeah, they can find some support slightly higher as well. Around 65.20, but still it's like a figure down from that level. And some here. Okay. So for now, intraday traders trying to buy, it's natural thing, trying to buy support with very tight stop, upside target around 67.30. Intraday traders trying to sell this level, targeting first support, reducing by half, and trying to reach lower levels. So let's see what's going to happen on British pound. We are long dollar Swiss franc. I would say again, once we've been stopped stopped out. We are long again. It would be good to see the prices higher than yesterday high. So then we can think about adding position. The resistance is around the figure 0.89. There you go. Here we go. So move above this level could lead to rise toward 89.30. We have fairly tight stop just below yesterday low. Something around 20. So around that level we are going to be 1 to 3 risk reward. So we can think about some reduction. So we are watching dollar Swiss franc. Euro, we are below another support. Let's take a look on Japanese crosses. We missed British pound yen, we missed euro JPY, we were afraid slightly. Here we move below support at 139.80, below 20 daily moving average. So now 139, 137.40 as the next supports. How can we join eventually? What else can we do here? Yeah, looks like we are going to break the quite strong support here. So last man standing is around 38.80. Dollar yen 102.50 again as resistance. Good that we took the profit from our long. Yesterday low has been taken out. We are going to have Germany PMI within a few minutes. Euro British. There we go. 20 daily moving average works as resistance. Depends where we are going to close at the end of the week. Most probably we'll try to find opportunity to go short around here or below here. So let's take a look on daily. Bulls are trying to hold support here. Looks like the yen and then USD are the strongest. For now. Australian. Again, 20 weekly is working as resistance, but on daily we are at support. 20 daily moving average as support for now. 90.60 as resistance. 89.34 as support for now. Here. Intraday. We broke down this support around 89.92, around 90. So two possible scenarios. Move back, some hesitations, and short with tight stop, targeting 89.30. It's the first scenario. Otherwise, if we are going to move from here, look for some kind of the divergence around the support, and maybe intraday long from here. We prefer, for now, we prefer to sell those rallies here. So we are watching Australian dollar and the gold. There you go. The support, first support around the figure 1300, resistance 1030, 1325.35. Intraday. One, two, three, four, five. There is a still possibility of bullish flag, so we are currently right now here, move down exactly to 1300. Here we go, we have support. And let's take a look on DAX. Yesterday we sent out the information that we have a range 9,600, 9,700, move below 9,600 and we could see 9,500, and there we go, easy 100 points. We moved below 9,600 below end of the day yesterday, so there was a very easy 100 points on DAX. Now we are at support. So we have support zone here, and then we have support zone around 9,400. So supports around every 100 points on DAX. And here was our selling area. A few times there was a possibility to sell there. Okay, we are waiting for German numbers. Support has been tested. There is a possibility of some bounce right now. This is not valid anymore. $37.25 was the first intraday resistance. We are trying to check if we can see what was the PMI from Germany. Looks like 3680, 3660 is going to be tested. Much better. Looks like it was much better. No. PMI 54.7. PMI in services is much stronger. Manufacturing is weaker, services is stronger. Another low is possible to clean those stops below 3680. So we are approaching really important support on euro dollar. And then 3660, as you can see here, 20 daily moving average here. Dollar Swiss franc with problems around at 0.89. Within the next half an hour we are going to have a PMI for the whole EU. What next? What next? We would like to see some stops cleaning here, and eventually if there is no continuation below 3680 and move back above, maybe we will decide to go long on euro dollar. There's plenty of supports here. DAX bounced off the support. $40 points almost. Euro yen. British pound at support. Dollar yen. We have some support around 101.60, and we have some support here. Testing right now. Let's see on the smaller time frame. Yeah, we would like to see 101.60-65. We were fairly close. We have bounce on euro dollar as expected. It would be nice to see how high can we go from here. For our long dollar Swiss franc, we are changing the stop to entry level. Right now. Just 1 second please, as we have to change the stop as well. There we go. There we go. There you go. Okay, so stop has been moved to entry level for our dollar Swiss franc long position. It looks like we can have some problems around earlier mentioned 89 level. Would be great to see the move above this level. Let's take another look on Australian dollar. You can see quite strong bounce. So we are awaiting EU PMI number, and then during US session we are going to have CPI and US PMI and Philadelphia index. So that could be some movers. We are watching euro. We would like to see, as I mentioned, we would like to see stop screening below 36.80. Euro yen, we are trying to hold support as well. Where we are on gold, in the middle of the channel. Let's get back to Australian dollar. Still some space to go higher, so we want to wait for prices to come to us. As usual, we don't want to chase the prices. We want the prices to come to us. We would like to have comfortable situation, not so wide stop. Pound is quite strong. Again, trying to hold that support here. Euro British pound at support as well. Maybe easier is going to be go long British pound via euro than via US dollar, but let's see. Let's see other crosses. Very strong against Canadian. Weaker versus yen. Still some space to the support, 168.90. Something around 70 pips here. Swiss franc. Our long could be under pressure as long as euro dollar holds 36.80. So it was one of the reasons we moved our stop to the entry level. British pound again testing support. And we slow down on the market right now. We were very active within first 30 minutes of the European session. Right now, market slow down. A little bit. I would be very careful with pound here as we tested the support a few times already. So looks like there is an appetite to clean it to the downside. Then 65.75 as the next support. So breakdown, pullback here. Of course, as long as we hold the support, intraday traders can try to go long, but I would be very careful with long here. The support here is very visible, so looks like there is appetite to hit the stops. Euro is trying to back below 137. Australian dollar is at 50% Fibonacci of the last move down after it changed PMI. I'm going to have EU PMI within seconds. Euro below 37. Let's see on the hourly on pound. Let's try to find the numbers. And it's much weaker than expected. Manufacturing PMI in EU 53, expectation was 54. So there is a chance for euro to go lower to clean the stops. So there is a chance for our dollar Swiss franc to move higher. Yen is stronger again. Let's try to do it a different way. Let's see the majors everywhere. Okay. So we have visible levels. Okay, just try to summarize. Dollar Swiss franc, we moved stop for our long to entry level, so we are quite fairly safe. We would like to see the prices to move above 0.89, 0.8910 would be great. Euro is testing the support around 36.80. We can see the bounce right now. Pound is testing support around 66.50. Yesterday and today, so the support here could be weaker. So of course intraday traders trying to buy support with tight stop, but then move down, pullback hesitation, so we will try to sell towards 65.75. Dollar yen approaching support around intraday support around 101.60. Nothing here. And DAX tested 9,500 support. It's also around 20 daily moving average. We are on a bounce right now, 9,535. So actually right now is a time to watch. British pound is on our radar, Australian dollar, those two. The rest looks like it's a time to watch, not time to trade. Let's see what's going to happen. We have some risk even during the US session. We have CPI, we have Philadelphia index. So there are some movers later on. We are going to keep you updated through our website. If you have any questions, hesitations, would you like ask us something more, just let us know via email. Here we go. As I mentioned last time, we are looking for possibility to prepare some kind of the marathon, 8 hours trading, focusing only on intraday trading. Sometimes next week. We should know more details tomorrow or over the weekend, so we are going to update our website in that matter. We have to check the weekly closes. We have to check the calendar to get some to get something right. We would like to avoid the situation that we want to make a marathon, but there is no volatility. So we will try to combine calendar. We will try to combine weekly charts, and then we will prepare. We'll prepare the marathon for us, for you, and we will update our website. That's it for today. Looks like it's only waiting time for now. It's only British pound and Australian dollar we are looking at. From the trading perspective, we are long dollar Swiss franc. Let's see what's going to happen during US session. Have a good day. Happy trading. All the best. Until next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.